Hello guys, so today you're going to download the QGIS Tiles plugin. So we'll visit this CustomJS website. It's my website by the way. So we go to blogs. Under blogs, you'll see the download and install tile plugin. You can open the blog and inside it you can find the tile plus plugin. So click on it. So you can find more instructions on how to download the imagery in this blog. So once our download is complete, you can go back to QGIS. Under QGIS, I have already installed the plugin, but I can guide you on how we can install it. You'll go to plugins and manage and install the plugins. Under this, I'm going to go to install from zip. You'll select where your file downloaded to, open it, and then you click install. So basically that is it, and it will install. I will install it again, although I'd already installed it before, and you can see it is successful. Now you can close the plugin window. So on the top of the screen, you can see this black T. That is the tile. You can always hover over it and see the name. We'll click on it. We'll select a base map. I'll go with Google Satellite Hybrid and click the plus sign. So once the base map has loaded, you can now navigate to your area of interest. I will go to let me go to a place I am familiar with. So once I've navigated to the area of interest, I want to download this imagery for these buildings. I'll right click on the base map and click on export, save as. I will uncheck the create VRT and I will assign my file name. I assign it Nairobi. I'll keep the CRS as it is. Under the extent, I will use the map canvas extent, the one that is visible. But as well, if you have a shapefile, you can always go to layer. You can create a shapefile, and your shapefile will be visible under layer and the extent section. So under resolution, I want maybe a 30 meter resolution. So I'll just have 0.3. It's equivalent to 30 meters. Same for the vertical. And once I'm done with that, you can see I can check add the saved file to map and then click OK. So you can see on the bottom of my screen, it's already downloading. So basically, this is how we download the high resolution imagery using QGIS with the help of the Tile Plus plugin. It's done, and you can see I can uncheck my Google Satellite base map. You can see these images are of high resolution. I can see the buildings very well. You can always try with other base maps that don't have the labels like Google Satellite without the hybrid name. And you can see this image looks pretty good for analysis. So be sure to try this plugin out if you are interested in downloading high resolution images. Thank you and subscribe.